back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Panzoid. So many people don't use Panzoid properly. Okay, let me just explain what Panzoid is first. So basically Panzoid is a website that lets you create your own intros using some templates provided by the community of Panzoid. So basically the people who don't know to animate, make their own intros, So basically the people who don't know to make their own intros, they can use this. Like there are some free templates, you can use them and make your own intro. So to use it, first of all just go to your browser and then just go to and then just type Panzoid over there. And now just go to panzoid.com. I'll also give you the link in the description, so you can go check it out. Okay, so now after it loads up, so many people, once they come over here, they don't know what to do. So over here what you have to do is, basically you can do two things. You can just go over here, see some nice one, or just click on more creations and see all the creations. Okay, or you can also click on this thing and click on creations. It's going to take you to the same thing, doesn't really matter. So now basically you got to choose a template that you like. Okay, and now for example I'm going to choose this template. Okay, so basically before using it, just check whether the song is copyrighted or not. Well, I'm not gonna use this one, so I'm gonna show you like a creator who's pretty some nice. Okay, you can't find him like this. Anyways, I'll give you like his things link over here. So I just found it over here, and this guy called Renderwolf, like he makes very nice intros. I'll give you his link in the description. So now you can basically choose some intro. You can choose the template from anywhere, like any creator, doesn't really matter. You should just like it, and you can also make intros with it, outros. Okay, so I like this intro called My First Creation Recreated. So basically you just choose your template. Okay, and now this guy, he mostly uses NCS music, but well, sometimes he uses some copyrighted also, so just check. He always mentions like the music that he's using, so you can just go ahead and check that music, whatever he is using. And now after that you want to go to open in clip maker. And now basically over here, like a variable will be written, like name. Okay, so over here you want to change the properties and put your own channel name. Okay, so let it load. Yeah, so now first thing is that you want to see how it looks, so just click on that toggle render view, click on play. So now by doing this you can see that whole intro. Okay, and so now basically you want to go and change that text over there, see, like its name over there, so you want to change it to like your own name. So let's do that. So you want to go to objects, and then over here, well, everyone has different. Okay, so some people may be having like one letter, so you want to go and change all of those letters. And basically you have to find this tag called text. You just find the text anywhere, and basically you just want to change that text, so just click on that, then go to this thing, and now type your channel's name or whatever you want it for. So let me type Mr. Awesome Tech. So many people, like, they have a lot of text boxes, so you have to go and change all of them. You can't do anything else. And now here you can also choose the font, but I'm gonna let it be default. I like that font. And now you want to go change the other one also. So if there are a lot of ones, this is the trick that I use. Just copy that and then just go here and delete and paste, enter. So don't forget to put press enter, because it won't save otherwise. And now basically if you see this intro, like my name is not being seen completely. Let me just show you a bit. can see, like it's getting like cropped a bit, so it's getting kind of cropped. So I'm gonna show you a fix for that. Now basically you want to go to the scene camera over here, which is below the objects, and now basically if you see the render view, you'll see like like if your name is a bit too long, it won't fit in the thing properly, like even the lines don't fit properly. So I'm going to show you how you can change that and make it look just perfect how your name is, basically like however long it is. So first thing is you want to turn off that render view, and then after you go to positions, you just want to align your camera view however you like it. Yeah, so now this frame fits like my name properly. So just adjust it nicely, and after you adjust it and it's like your final now, and then you just click on use current, and now basically it's gonna save that camera position. After I played around with the settings a bit, I finally got the correct angle that I want, and now basically it fits my name. So if you have a long name, you have to do this and basically come to the frame where your name looks proper, like okay. So just you want to go use that use current thing. Okay, so now basically the specific intro also has a scene in which there are some lines, so you have to change those lines with also not with like the length of them. So for that you again go to the objects over there, and now this is named as box, so it depends on the creator, like whatever he has named them. So you have to go and find like the line thing, so just to check whether it's the thing that you are looking for. See, when you choose that thing will become yellow. So now I've chosen the correct thing, and now basically you have to go to the middle one. So this basically denotes the length. So for example, if I put 10, as you can see it has become a lot smaller than before. So I played around with the settings a bit, and I found out like 190 fits my name properly. And now after you customize it like however you want it to look, then you just want to go to the download icon over there, and now just choose whatever you want, basically however your internet is. So if you want a nice quality one, just click on extreme and now start video render. So when it's rendering, don't do anything because like it will get rendered and it will also save, but there'll be like a error in opening and stuff. So just don't shut down, like just don't switch to any other window while you're exporting it. Keep that same window. So I'm just gonna keep good quality because that slow thing will take a lot of time. Okay, let's just so now I'm gonna export it and show you. So guys, after your video finishes rendering, you just wanna go and click on that download your video, and basically it just downloads it just like a normal file that you get from Google. Yeah, so now it is downloaded, as you can see over the 20 MB file. Basically choose the speed according to your internet speed. If it's bad, then just choose the low one. Okay, so now after this it just downloads like a normal file that you get from Google. Let me just show you how it looks. I'm gonna leave a poll at the end of this video, and please choose like whatever thing you like, whatever intro you like. Like do you like the intro which was at the starting of this video, or the intro that I just made right now? So go and vote at the poll in the end of this video. And guys, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. And so I'm going to start a timer, and let's see whether you can subscribe and hit that bell icon within 5 seconds. So now if you have subscribed, you're awesome and you're part of the Mr. Awesome Tech channel, and You can also go and join my Discord server, link in description, and bye.